welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I have very randomly decided to do Vlogmas this year. I wasn't going to because I just feel like I've been doing really well with my videos and I don't want to overwhelm myself. However, I just had this sudden urge to do it and challenge myself, so that's what we're doing. We're doing Vlogmas this year, 24 days of Vlogmas. I was filming a little haul, not a haul, a video yesterday, and then I just was like, you know what, we'll stop it there and we'll start a new one. So that's what we're doing today. It's actually currently like 3:30 in the afternoon. We're just about to head out to the warehouse. What are you doing? We're just about to head out to the warehouse. I need to go get Archie a advent calendar because December has honestly just creeped up on me so fast. So that's what we're going to do today. The plans got a little bit jumbled today. We were actually supposed to go to a little trial for a daycare for Archie today, but he refused his nap and I didn't want to take him when he was grumpy, so I'm going to go tomorrow morning instead. And yeah, we'll try him out at a daycare. He hasn't been to daycare before, so I just want to take him to, I think he needs like a little bit of extra stimulation throughout the day, and like I just think he'll really enjoy going to daycare. So we're gonna go give it a trial tomorrow. There's one very close to my house, so I like the convenience of that one, so we'll go check that out in the morning. But anyway, for today, my house is an absolute mess, so we'll clean that up when I come home. But for today, we're gonna go to the warehouse and go pick him out a advent calendar. These are cute. Oh, the little dinosaur's so cute. I love the little caravan. I actually got lollipop in my hair and now my hair's all sticky. No luck at the warehouse, so we're gonna go to the supermarket and see if they have any there. Alrighty, so we're back now. We had no luck with advent calendars whatsoever. There were literally none left anywhere. I went to 3 different supermarkets and I went to the warehouse and there were none, so we didn't get one. If I find one like in the next couple of days, I'll pick one up for Archie, but if not, I bought us some little Christmas chocolates anyway. I just thought I'd get some. I've got this little tray that I got from Kmart a while back, a little Christmas lolly tray, so I thought I'd just put them in here and let him pick a chocolate every day or whatever he wants. So I picked up some Ferrero Rochers. I feel like these are a staple, a chocolate staple, Christmas staple. Love them. I picked up some Reese's peanut butter bells. I love Reese's so much. These are so good. Got those. I think I might try one of those. And then we also got the Hershey's Kisses in candy cane. He wanted to try one of these today, and so did I. So we've had one each, and they are delish. They literally taste like white chocolate with candy cane in them. And then I just picked up some little peppermint candy canes as well, just to put in there. So I'm going to put those into my little jar. Yeah, so I'm so gutted about the advent calendar. I went into Common Sense Organic as well and looked at their advent calendars, but they only had like tea ones or like, again, dairy-free chocolate ones, and I don't know, I just wasn't really vibing them, so I decided not to get them. Need more water. Guys, how cute are these? Look, little bells. Put those in here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, my house is like an actual mess, so I need to clean that up after I have done this. These smell so good. these gold ones too. So cute. So many green ones. Trying to get my balance of colours all right, but there's just so many green ones. Since there's so many green ones, I'll try a green one. Yum. Oh my god. What's wrong? Archie is getting very grumpy now. He's hit his like, I'm ready to go to bed time now. So he is extremely tired. Yeah, it's not very often that he doesn't have a nap. So yeah, he's gone really tired now. Hey, there's a lot of stuff on here, more than I thought. Should have put some candy canes in the tree. Might actually take some out and hang some on the tree. So much. Okay. Honestly, I thought there was going to be less of those bells in that bag, which is why I bought so many. Anyway, this is my little lolly jar for Christmas.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how?
Don't mind the music, but look at my lounge. It is an absolute terror. So let's tackle this.
About everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good
Alright,
times
so it is currently 9:39 in the evening. Archie's down for his sleep. He's actually been down since just after 7, so I have been editing since then. I have edited a TikTok so far, and I have now just finished uploading my vlog, yesterday's vlog. So that is just currently processing, and that's what I've been doing. I need to make myself some dinner. I haven't had dinner yet. I'm not actually that hungry because I had something when Archie was like, I had like a little snack when Archie was having his dinner, so I'm not like too hungry. And I also just had a little Coke in my Stanley cup. You guys, soda in this is like next level. It's so good. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's in my mind playing games with me, but it just tastes delicious. Like any type of, you put soda water in with a bit of ice, oh, so good. You put Coke in with a bit of ice, also amazing. Yeah, I've just had a cup of Coke as well, and it was very delicious. So yeah, I'm not too hungry, but I should probably make at least a little snack. But yeah, I also thought we could do a little bit of skincare tonight. I think I'm just gonna wait for this video to finish uploading, and then I think I'll go get some skincare done and get ready for bed. But I thought we'd get ready together. So I've got my Be Plain Green for Cleansing Oil that I'm going to use, my Hara Hara Wonder Black Bamboo Mist as a toner, and then I'm going to use the Unique Black Snail Restore Serum, and my eye cream is the Purito Unscented Centella Eye Cream, and then for my moisturizer tonight I'm going to use an overnight mask because my skin just feels like it needs a drink. So we're going to use the Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask. So that's my skincare for tonight. So I think I'm just gonna speed through my skincare because, as you can hear, my fan is very, very loud, and I can't imagine that does that make the lighting a bit better? I can't imagine that that's very pleasant to hear, so we'll just run through it.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la da da da. Oh oh, oh oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do. I spend it with you, just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Christmas memories.
Alrighty, my skin is nice and glowy now. I am now all ready for bed. I'm gonna go jump into bed. I might actually just, no, what's the time? No, it's 11 o'clock at night. I should probably get some rest. But I am just gonna sit and watch some things for a little bit, maybe listen to some ASMR and drift off to sleep. I was going to just like organize some of my videos and stuff, but I think I'll do that tomorrow, otherwise I'll be up for another 2 hours between there. So yeah, but anyway, that was Vlogmas Day 1. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you all in tomorrow's vlog.